Life is short. It's too short to live depressed. It's too short to live anxious. And it's too short to struggle every day with thinking about taking your life. I want to challenge you are tonight to get up that you are not quitting tonight, that one day it is appointed unto all men to die, but that is God's responsibility, not mine. So I do not know how I am preaching to diet, but I wanna say to get up. Further, it's brighter than your past.